The farmers' protest has now garnered international attention. Pop icon Rihanna took the internet by storm when she commented on the farmers' protest early this morning. Several Bollywood celebs, including Swara Bhaskar, Richa Chadda, Diljit Dosanjh, spoke in support of Rihanna and hailed the singer for drawing international attention to the issue. Things became pretty serious when the Ministry of External Affairs released a statement on the issue. While netizens and celebs were busy commenting on the issue, with Kangana Ranaut going on a war, some other celebs were severely trolled for retweeting the statement by the Ministry of External Affairs. Bollywood stars Akshay Kumar and Sunil Shetty took to Twitter to comment on the serious issue. Akshay Kumar took to Twitter to comment on the farmers' protest. He said, "Farmers constitute an extremely important part of our country, and the efforts being undertaken to resolve their issues are evident. Let's support an amicable resolution rather than paying attention to anyone creating differences." Meanwhile, Sunil Shetty wrote, "We must always take a comprehensive view of things, as there is nothing more dangerous than half-truth." However, Akshay and Sunil's tweets caught everyone's attention and replies from netizens began pouring in. Unfortunately, the two actors were severely trolled for commenting on the issue. Some netizens even raised the subject of Akshay Kumar's Canadian citizenship once again. Earlier at an event, Akshay opened up on how he's targeted often on social media for having a Canadian citizenship. "I have now applied for the passport. I don't want to give anyone the chance to question me on it. I am an Indian and it hurts me that I am asked to prove that every time. My wife, my children are Indian. I pay my taxes here and my life is here," Akshay said. In an exclusive chat with E-Times, Sunil Shetty opened up after being trolled on Twitter for commenting on the farmers' protest. Here's what the actor said.
"I'm supporting the farmers, I'm supporting the government, I'm supporting India. My statement was very, very clearly to all those celebrities from outside of India who are defaming us and giving a wrong picture about what's happening in our country. I'm a farmer, my forefathers were farmers, and hence will always respect that. The farmers are our backbone, and that is the most important thing. My statement is very, very clear that half-truth doesn't work, and this is to all those celebrities who are trying to comment on our country without really knowing too much about what's going on.
On the other hand, Kangana Ranaut, who took nasty jibes at the international pop star Rihanna and social activist Greta Thunberg for commenting on the farmers' protest, got into a war of words with Diljit Dosanjh after the actor and singer came to Rihanna's rescue and launched a Punjabi song titled Riri.